let us learn to join two letters, two small letters. How do we join while writing? Yes? Good. Watch out. Now, A. How do we write A-N? A. An. Yes? A-N, an. Now, am. How do you write am? A. Am. Yes? Next, as. A. As. At. A. At. See how you write? An, am, as, at. Good. Now let's write how we write in. I-N, in. Small I. I. In. If. Yes. I. If. It. I. It. If. I. Look. We learn to write I, N, in. Good. I, S, is. I, T, it, I, F, it. Good. Next, let's write E, B, E, B. B. How do you write small letter B? Look. B, B. Me. M, small m. M, E, me. He. H, he. Next, we, all of us, we. W, E, we. Learning to join two letters. Now let's take O. O, R. How you write small o? Then R. Or. On. O-N. O. On. Off. O. F. Off. Ox. O. X. Ox. See how we learn? Or, on, off, ox. Good. Now let's do. Let's write O, D-O, do. D, do. No. N, no. So. S, go. G, O, go. So we learn to join two small letters.